today our lesson in science is about energy, types of energy, and forms of energy. Our objective for today is to identify the two types of energy, describe the various forms of energy, namely sound, heat, light, and electrical energy. Before we proceed with our lesson for today, let us first define what is energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. It cannot be made or destroyed. Energy can only be changed into different forms. Can you name a form of energy? From where do you think we get energy? You cannot always see or feel energy, but it is everywhere. It is one of the basic human needs and is an important part of development. Now let us identify the two types of energy. We have the potential energy and the kinetic energy. So let us have first what is potential energy. Everybody, potential energy is the type of energy that is stored in an object that is at rest or not yet moving. For example, a man standing, sitting, and sleeping. And now, kinetic energy is the energy in motion. For example, running, jumping, and falling. Those are examples of kinetic energy. Okay, can you identify the kinetic energy and potential energy in the given below? Yes, you can. Okay, let us identify it one by one. Okay, very good. Now you already understand what is the difference between potential energy and kinetic energy. Okay, let us now move forward to the different forms of energy. Energy has many forms. Almost all forms of energy can be transformed into other forms. Let us have first sound energy. Sound energy is produced when objects vibrate. Sound waves are produced by vibrating objects. When you pluck a string of guitar, the string vibrates back and forth, and the vibrating striking makes the air around it to vibrate too and make sound waves. Here are other examples of sound energy. We have speakers, musical instruments, and the television. And there are a lot more. Another form of energy is the heat energy. Heat energy is formed due to the rising temperature of an object. It may be caused by burning of an object, a chemical is applied, or some appliances that produces heat. Examples are heater, sun, and fire. Next, we have the light energy. Light energy is a form of energy that moves in empty space. It is a form of energy which is visible to the eyes. Now, here are some examples of light energy. We have the sun, flashlight, and the light bulbs. And then lastly, we have electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy produced by the flow of charged particles called electrons. Electrical energy can occur naturally, such as in lightning storms or with the use of power generators. Many appliances of today requires electrical energy. That is why man continuously harness electrical energy. So here are some examples of electrical energy. We have the computer, television, and iPad, and some appliances at home. Now let us review our lesson for today. Everybody, what are the two types of energy? Very good. And what are the different forms of energy? Very good. Now let us have our activity for today. Before we start with our activity, may I request everybody to get one whole sheet of paper and ball pen. Now let us identify the picture given below as two types of energy and forms of energy. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to answer the activity for today. Number 1, we have heat energy. Number 2, light. It can be sound or it can be electrical energy. For number 3, sound energy. Number 4, potential energy. And number 5, kinetic energy. Hey, very good. So, it means that everybody understood or understand my lesson for today. Until next time, see ya!